Pakistan Baş Ministeri İmran Khan Amerikadaki Axios toruning ziyoratini qabul qilganda Xitoyning Uyg'urlarni bostirganligini e'tirof qilishni qayta rad qilgan. U dunyoning boshqa joylaridagi kishilik huquq masalalarini tilga olgan. Shunaqla Xitoyning Xinjiangda bostirish elib borganligini rad qilganligini bildirgan.
Just across your border in Western China, the Chinese government has imprisoned more than 1 million Uyghur Muslims in re-education camps. The Chinese government has tortured Muslims, forcibly sterilized them, and they've destroyed mosques in Xinjiang and also punished Muslims for fasting, praying, even giving Muslim names to their children. Prime Minister, why are you so outspoken about Islamophobia in Europe and the United States, but totally silent about the genocide of Muslims in Western China?
What our conversations have been with the Chinese, this is not the case, according to them.
The evidence is just overwhelming.
Whatever issues we have with the Chinese, we speak to them behind closed doors.
Axios tori İmran Khanni o'tgan hafta ziyorat qilgan bo'lib, ziyorat xotirasi 20-iyun kuni e'lon qilingan edi. Bu qitimqi ziyoratda Axiosning muxbiri Jonathan Swan İmran Khandan nima uchun Uyg'urlar masalasiga sukut qilganligini qayta so'ragan bo'lsa-mu, biroq İmran Khan yanala Xitoyning Xinjiangda bostirish elib borganligini rad qilganligini takrorlab turib U Xitoy bilan har qanday masalasi bo'lsa, yepiq so'zlashadiganligi, Xitoyning o'zlariga qiyin ahvolda qolganda yordam qilganligi, shunga ularga hurmat qilganligini bildirgan.
China has been one of the greatest friends to us in our most difficult times. When we were really struggling, our economy was struggling, China came to our rescue. So
İmran Khan Xitoyning puli uchun sukut qilishga majbur bo'lishni, uni bezor qilgan qilmaganligi haqidagi savolga men dunyoda Falastin, Liviya, Somali, Suriya, Afg'onistonda nima ishlarning bo'lganligiga qarab keldim. Men hamma ish haqida so'zlashim kerakmi? Mening chegramda, mening davlatimda nima bo'layotdi? Diqqatimizni shuningga markazlashtiraman degan.
Doesn't it make you feel sick to have to be quiet because of all this money they're putting into Pakistan?
I look around the world, what's happening in Palestine, Libya, Somalia, Syria, Afghanistan. Am I going to start talking about everything? I concentrate on what is happening on my border, in my country.
This is on your border.
Which is part of, that is part of Pakistan. 100,000 Kashmiris are dying. That concerns me more. Because half of Kashmir is in Pakistan.
This is a grotesquely large human rights atrocity.
First of all, I'm not sure about that because our conversations with the Chinese, this is not the picture that comes from that side.
Bu G'arbni izchil islamfobiya yoki islom dushmanlik bilan ayblab kelgan İmran Khanning Xitoyning Uyg'urlarni bostirganligini e'tirof qilishdan tunji qitim o'zini qochirishi emas. U burunmi bu haqdagi savollarga javob berishdan o'zini qochirgan edi.